Makeshift ramp. Got a little RC tug of war going on here. Let's see what happens. You ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh. It broke. It broke. Oh, we did break the rope. No. We broke the rope. No. Oh, that was a shot.
that M2C chassis.
Yep.
Holding up nice. And that RPM front bumper.
It took that.
That was full brunt.
To some good old wood. You want a race? I'm always down for a race. All right, Nick, come racing. You give up? What do you mean, man? Come on. Oh, have a great day, man.
This RPM bumper.
Oh.
This RPM bumper's taking some hits.
I just smacked whatever that was, too. Yeah. Well, good attempt on a front flip. All right, let's see your distance here, buddy. Going for distance with the sledge. Right here. He landed over here. This is where he hit. I said that's not too bad. Oh! I landed right there. You already did beat me. Alright. I landed right on that wheelie bar. Jeez. Yeah, you landed right about her. Hey, you moved your mark. Backwards, I should have left it there. Gosh darn it. I only landed right here. I still got good 3 feet to get to you. Ooh. I don't know if you moved much further. I definitely think you could double backflip. Close. There you go. Dang. Oh, first backflip. Big twist. Yeah. Jeez. Wow. Backflip box. Backflip box.
Where we going? Ow, ow, ow. It's pepper.
All right, we got the tow rig hooked up here.
So the ESC is fried. All the lights are on.
ESC is done for.
I don't have drive. but I do have steering.
So we're gonna tow it back home with a random bungee cord we just found in a road. Let's give it a try. Yeah, it's working.
Oh, stay out of the road. Car coming.
That thing's literally holding on by a thread.
I know.
Look at that.
I know. We will tow it all the way back.
I think the threads are getting smaller.
Oh.
No, we made it to here. All right.
That's it.
I think we can retie.
So we got like a twig or something. A dead leaf stick thing.
I wish I was an Eagle Scout.
Rope's done. Bungee's done.
It's got a perfect toe hole right here.
What did he say?
Toe hole.
You guys got a toe hole?
See that is not skills.
I don't got any.
Alright, guess I'm carrying it. Oh well.